How do I even talk to this thing? If I'm not vlogging. Okay. Hi. Long time no chat. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. Just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today we're just gonna have a catch up. I don't really know what else to say. I haven't posted a video in a long time. I did go live a while ago, but I think it's April since I last posted a video. I have videos that I've vlogged and just like not edited, not posted. Yeah, anyways, I've said this before and it'll probably happen again. I desperately want to be that very consistent YouTuber who like never misses an upload. But unfortunately, I'm a person first and not like a creative machine who just pumps out content. I run out of steam. And at the beginning of the year, I had lots of ideas and lots to post about. And eventually, it just got to the point where I was out of ideas and out of things to say. And really just, you know, didn't feel like what I was saying mattered. And I never know when I'm like about to hit that wall, so I never have a chance to warn you of when I'm just gonna take a break, okay? And I'm not really sorry for it at all. I'm still around. I'm still reading all the comments. I'm still on my Instagram, on my TikTok. Sometimes I still post shorts, but I hadn't been posting long form content for a while. So yeah, anyways, oops-a-doodle. I don't know if I'm like back to be here every week, but I'm going to try and get back to posting and making content. I've adjusted a bit of my goals for the year. Things are changing with work. I still work at Happy Thoughts. I'm going back to Saturdays and Sundays working there. I was working Friday, Saturday, and then a lot of Sundays. Now I'm just back to Saturday, Sunday, so that's good. I don't know. It's something. Anyway, so what's going on? What have I been up to? It feels like not much, but also like a lot. I've been sewing a lot. You can't really see it, but I've been making bags again. Actually cute ones. I mean, the little pouches and stuff I made before were really cute, and I would like to make some more of those because I have a ton of the cute zippers and things like that. But these are going to be really good. So I've spent the last month, it's the beginning, or not really the beginning, it is Friday, August 9th. So I don't know when you'll see this, hopefully in the next few days. I've been making things. I'm working hard to get my website up and going again, my online store going again, because there's nothing on it right now. I'm hoping for the end of August, like beginning of September, to actually have products on it. I applied to be in a Christmas market, still waiting to hear back. I don't really like doing markets, but I know that they are a good way to help market your business and get people knowing who you are. The problem with what I do is because everything I make is size inclusive, people see that and think then it's not for me because I'm skinny, so I don't need it to be size inclusive. Or the plus size people don't believe that it's size inclusive, like actually size inclusive. So, and like when you're selling jewelry and stuff, they're like, well, why does jewelry need to be size inclusive? Fat necks exist, fat wrists exist, fat arms exist, etc., etc. Anyways, and so I don't sell a lot at markets because people don't see the value. Just regular people don't see the value in having size inclusive accessories. So yes, anyways, and then of course, you know, I charge like a legitimate cost for things. Like I factor in ethical production and paying myself a living wage as if I'm an employee, because someday I will not be the only one making things, hopefully, and that person also deserves to be paid a living wage. So anyway, that is it. I've been making a lot of things, okay? I've been working on necklaces, really cute necklaces, sourcing the materials, which has taken forever, like good materials. Still a lot of upcycled. Nothing is ever 100% made from brand new materials. I did a live a while back opening and unboxing some broken jewelry that I got, and I spent a month pretty much non-stop deconstructing everything into the beads that I could use, and then I got hooked on making friendship bracelets, and I put them into the store at Happy Thoughts, and they're such a hit. People love them. They don't balk at paying $20 for a stretchy bracelet because they're not like plastic beads. They say funny things that are relevant to the world, and yeah, they're fun. Anyways, I have not made any new earrings because I have a lot of them already. Or I have made some like beaded hoop earrings, but no like leather cut earrings because I have a pretty good stock of them right now at the store. So have been making a lot of scrunchies. Actually, let me show you. You'll see these in an upcoming video, me making them. I have an entire vlog from the month of July and what I made. But I figured you might want a little sneak peek, and I'm going to show you these because all the other stuff is not accessible to me. Space scrunchie. Found this really awesome fabric. A pretty good chunk of it, but like not a lot. I kept one of these for myself because it was too cute not to. Then this one glorious silk scrunchie. Oh my god, this thing is a masterpiece. It's actually a patchwork scrunchie of 2 different silk scarves sewn together. I'd originally bought this as like a lining for masks, and it's beautiful. So I thought I'm gonna patchwork it together and turn it into a scrunchie. So it's 100% silk. There is literally only one of these. Then we've got these little neon pink cuties. This, I don't know what kind of fabric this was. It definitely has some flaws in it, but it has this like gold, oh, you can't see that, gold weaving into it, and there's some like bumps and flaws in the fabric, and probably something to do with like manufacturing that wasn't noticed, like a little bit of discoloration. But to be honest, they're really great, and I think the fabric is just so nice, and yeah, they're just gorgeous. Then, oops, we've got this fabric which has little bees on it. Again, I'm looking at the back and thinking it's the exact same. Little bees and flowers on it. It looks sort of vintagey. I don't know if this fabric is vintage or not, but again, just a really good fluffy scrunchie. So yes, that was like the first 2 weeks of July, making all of those. And now I'm working on bags because I want to have a variety of items, not just like a couple of things on the website when I reopen it. And I don't even know what else to say. This may be a very short video that I don't really edit much of. But I don't even know what else to tell you. What do you want to know? Leave me questions in the comments of, I don't know, whatever you want to know about while I was gone. I honestly just, it wasn't relaxing. I wasn't really doing anything special or exciting. I just needed a break from listening to my own voice and constantly editing myself and constantly being aware of what I was saying. And yeah, anyways, we're on the last weekend of the Olympics right now. Like, whilst I'm watching it, it's Friday, and I've been glued to my devices watching that, and seeing Canada be awesome, and all of the other teams and all of the other stories that come out of the Olympics. I basically just sit and sob while watching the Olympics because you get all their backstories and you hear all these cool things they're doing. So that's been an enjoyable couple of weeks. I can't even remember. Been reading a lot. I'm like 12 books ahead of schedule on my reading goal. So that tells you how much I've been reading. My studio is a mess, like a huge mess. But that's always what happens when I start making things, is I do not take the time to clean it up. It's always a mess, but it's a particular mess right now. But that's how I know I'm like working and creating. So yep, that's a thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, sticking around, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you do actually want to see all of my upcoming content, videos, etc., subscribe. I appreciate every person who does subscribe. What's funny is I notice when I stop posting, I gain more subscribers than when I am regularly posting. I get more comments when I'm posting on the regular though, so that's what really makes me happy, is reading all your comments. Anyway, thanks again for hanging out with me. Have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!